Hi, I'm Raheli and this is Vegan Girl Travels. On this channel, I share everything related to traveling as a solo female. I share my travel adventures, travel tips, how to eat vegan when traveling, and packing. If you are interested to explore the world and join my adventures, make sure to subscribe to join the community. In today's video, I wanted to share with you what I did in London, and I actually was in London about 2 months ago, but for some reason the clip where I share with you what I did the first day got deleted, so I thought I'd tell you now. So I started off my day by going to Abbey Road and taking the famous Beatles picture, and then from there I headed over to Hyde Park and saw the different monuments there are to see, as well as Kensington Palace, and just walked around and really enjoyed the park. After that, I headed over to Buckingham Palace, and the rest of it has been filmed, so let's get into it. So it is currently the next day, and I didn't give you an update last night. So I did end up going to Westminster Abbey, but I did not enter. And actually now it's already 7 p.m. the next day, and I didn't do much today because I wasn't feeling good earlier. I had really bad cough and cold. You probably still can hear it a little bit, but I did plan on going to Unity Diner tonight with a friend, so I'm going to be doing that, and of course I wanted to take you along to Unity Diner. Hey guys, so good morning. Today is day 3 of exploring. As I said yesterday, I didn't really explore too much. I just went to Unity Diner. The food was really delicious. I was debating if to get the fish and chips or not, but I didn't end up getting it just because I never liked fish before, so I was like a little worried that I won't like it just because I never liked fish. So I went with the Surge burger, and I think it honestly was one of the best burgers I ever had. And now I'm here on the London Tower, and I'm gonna cross it, go to the City Hall. I'll also go to the Shard and see from there where I go, so I'll take you along with me. Guys, so after I went to the Shard, I crossed again over Tower Bridge and went into Tower of London. And I personally liked it, but I didn't think that the ticket price is worth it, to be honest. And now I'm heading actually over to a vegan street party, so I will take you along with me. Hey guys, so I just finished the vegan nights party and it was really fun. I got to see again James Aspey and Carly, and then I also got to talk to Ed today, Earthling Ed, and it was really awesome because I couldn't talk to him during vegan campout. He was so busy with people, so today I got to talk to him, and Joey was also there. So there are a bunch of vegan activists and it was really awesome, and I even got a nice goodie bag, so it was a very successful night, and I'm gonna go back to the hostel now, get some rest, and see you tomorrow morning. Good morning guys, so this is my last day in London and I'm currently heading over to Trafalgar Square, and then I'll go to 2 different museums I think, and that's about it for today because I don't have a full day here, so I will take you along with me. Hey guys, so I now made it to the Big Ben, and look how sad it looks because of the reconstruction. Okay guys, so I just went into the British Museum. It was so impressive. Sadly I didn't have the time to really go and explore all of it, but hopefully I'll do it a different time. And I think that concludes our time here in London. So if you enjoyed it, please give it a like. Make sure to subscribe down below to join the family and not miss any new videos. And I will see you all. Bye!